what you're eating, you're focused on the activity. But guess what? If you don't get your mind right, you don't get your mind focused on what it is you're trying to accomplish, you're not going to see the results the way you need to see them. So I decided to title it, Free Your Mind, and the rest will follow. Okay? So we're going to go in that direction, free your mind, and the rest will follow. The mind. What do we think of when we think of the mind? We think of your thoughts, your beliefs, rationalizations, and your truth. What you think, what you believe, your thought process, that's your mind. It's that, leave me alone, I'm about to lose my mind. That means all your truths, your thoughts, beliefs, rationalizations are about to go out the window before you lose it. Something to recognize about the mind is what you believe is true. What you believe, what you think is true to you. To you. Because many times what you believe is not true, but it's true to you. Think about that. What you believe is true to yourself. So, for instance, if you're in this 50 million pound challenge and you wake up tomorrow and you think, oh, another boring day of boring, tasteless food and painful exercise. Every time you eat your breakfast, your snack, your lunch, your dinner, and then you go exercise, your attitude will shape how you focus on that. Oh, you have this. Oh, here he goes again. He said, do more. Oh my gosh, what is he trying to do with me? My back hurts, my knees hurt, my ankles hurt. And then I get to go home and eat a salad with dressing on the side. Vinaigrette? Oh. If you think that way, that's how you will experience it. Now, if you say, this is going to be a great day because I've set goals, I'm part of the 50 million pound challenge, I'm going to eat healthy breakfast, good snack, nice lunch, great snack and a dinner, I'm going to work out with my friends because they're all on the same page with me, I'm going to reach those goals today, I will work to achieve those goals. That truly changes your whole outlook in the entire day.